Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make basic guacamole. First, choose 3 ripe avocados. You'll also need 1/4 cup of finely diced red onion, 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh cilantro, and the juice of 1 lime. A pinch of salt and pepper will enhance the flavors. This simple combination creates a classic, delicious dip perfect for any occasion. Start by carefully having your 3 ripe avocados and removing the pits. Scoop the creamy flesh into a medium bowl. Use a fork or a potato masher to mash the avocado to your preferred consistency. Some like it chunky, others smooth. Now, add the diced red onion, fresh cilantro, and lime juice. Mix everything together until just combined. Once all your ingredients are mixed, it's time to season. Add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Taste and adjust as needed. You might want a bit more lime juice for extra brightness. Serve your fresh guacamole immediately with tortilla chips, vegetable sticks, or as a topping for tacos. Enjoy this simple, flavorful dip. To keep your guacamole fresh, press plastic wrap directly onto its surface to prevent air exposure, which causes browning. For a little heat, consider adding 1 tablespoon of finely diced jalapeno. Remember, fresh ingredients make all the difference in taste. Also, if you're looking for amazing socks that last, check out Darn Tough. You can find a link for those, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.